Good morning children. Welcome to online social science classroom. In the previous class we discussed about one question paper that included section A. Okay, so we discussed about the section A questions. Section A includes 1 mark question. Today we shall continue the same question paper that should include section B only. Okay, section B includes 3 mark question. Please look at the screen. Dear children, let's continue the question paper discussion. First one, section B. Okay, section B includes 3 mark question. First one, distinguish between Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. What are the differences between Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats? Western Ghats mark the western edge of the Deccan Plateau. Okay, Western Ghats mark the western edge of the Deccan Plateau. Eastern Ghats mark the eastern edge of the Deccan Plateau. Western Ghats are continuous and can be crossed through the pass only. But Eastern Ghats are discontinuous, irregular and dissected by the rivers during draining into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, Western Ghats are continuous but Eastern Ghats are discontinuous. Western Ghats have higher elevation of 900 to 1600 meters, but Eastern Ghats have lower elevation of 600 meters. Western Ghats, the area experiences orographic rain, mostly in summer due to summer monsoon. The climate is hot and moist, but in Eastern Ghats, the area receives rainfall mostly in winter through northeast monsoon. However, here the drain is lesser than the western strip. The soil in the Western Ghats is highly fertile. Rice, spices, rubber and fruits like coconut, cashew nuts, etc. are grown. Eastern Ghats, the soil in the Eastern Ghats are not fertile as Western Ghats. Okay. Rice, groundnuts, cotton, tobacco, coconut, etc. are grown. So tell me, what are the differences between Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats? Western Ghats mark the western edge of the Deccan Plateau. Eastern Ghats mark the eastern edge of the Deccan Plateau. Western Ghats are continuous, Eastern Ghats are discontinuous. The soil in the Western Ghats are highly fertile compared to the Eastern Ghats. Next one, the central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? Okay, this question belongs to which chapter? First chapter, India's size and location. Okay, answer, India is southwest extension of the Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia provide a strategic central location to India. The Deccan Plateau protrudes or bulges into the Indian Ocean, thus helping the India to establish close contact with the West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast and East Asia and southeast from the eastern coast. Okay. Do you know, no other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has, and indeed. Okay. Tell me students, what is the significance of India's location at the head of Indian Ocean? India is a southwest extension of the Asian continent. The transportation through Indian Ocean routes, not road, okay, correct it, roads which connect the western countries and the eastern countries, okay, provide a strategic central location to India. Moreover, the Deccan Plateaus protrudes or bulging into the Indian Ocean. This helped India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coasts and from the eastern coasts. Okay. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has indeed. Okay. Next one, which non-farming activities are practiced in Palampur? Write a short note. Which non-farming activities are practiced in Palampur? Non-farming activities, okay. First one, dairy farming. People feed their buffaloes with various kinds of grass, jowar, bajra that grows during the rainy season. The milk is sold in nearby villages. Okay, the people domesticate the animals and with various kinds of grasses are there during the rainy season that are grown. the milk is sold in nearby villages. Some people have set up collection centers and chilling centers from where the milk is transported to far away the towns and cities. Okay. So, but first one, dairy farming. The people domesticate some animals. They give milk. The milk is sold in nearby villages. And some people have set collection centers and chilling centers, freezing centers. Okay, from where the milk is exported to neighboring villages and towns. Next one, small scale industries. Small scale industries. Manufacturing in Palampur involves very simple production of methods and are done on a small scale. They are carried out mostly at home. This is mostly done with the help of family member. Labor is rarely hired. Okay. So what is the second one? Small scale industries. The people produce goods in their house with the help of family member. Okay. And labor is rarely hired. Okay. Next one. Shopkeeping. Shopkeepers buy various goods from the wholesale market in the cities and sell them in the village. You know the shop nearby your house. The shop include a wide range of items like rice, wheat, sugar, oil, biscuits, soap, batteries, candles, so many items we can see in the shop. Okay, even some clothes also. Some families whose houses are closer to the bus stand have used a part of space to open small shops. They sell eatables here. Okay, so next one, transport. Transport, rickshawalas, tangawalas, then jeep, tractor, truck drivers and people driving the traditional bullock carts. Bogies are the people in transport services. Okay, they carry people and goods from one place to another. In return, get paid for it. The number of people in transport service have risen over the last several years. So another non-family activities in Palampur is transport. Okay. We can see these types of people in our area. Next one, self-employed. Some people have opened coaching institution for various kinds of arts like computer training centers or stitching classes, etc. to obtain profit from non-farming activity and train more and more people for better opportunities in their lives. So some people opened, that self-employed people, okay, they opened coaching institution for computer training centers and stitching classes, etc. Okay, so what are the non-farming activities practiced in Palampur? Dairy farming, small scale industries, shopkeepers, transport, then self-employed. Okay, so today we have studied about only 3 question answer from section B. Dear children, for 3 mark question you have to write 3 points with explanation. Okay, now we discussed about 5 points, but you should write 3 points with explanation. Dear students, today we have discussed about 3 questions that carries 3 mark. Okay, so study these questions very well and attend the test paper without fail. Okay, we shall continue the same question paper in the next class. Bye students.